For today's video guys, nandito tayo guys sa loob ng campus ng aming church dito sa Aday Carrascal, Surigao del Sur. Meron kasing ano dito guys, Christmas village contest. So hinahintay pa namin guys yung mga judges na paparating pa para i-judge yung aming Christmas village. Bali ito guys ay may contest ng inter barangay kung sino ang papalarin na mananalo. Sana guys kami ang mananalo sa adlay dahil malaki ang premium ng first prize. So samahan niyo ako guys sa aking pagbablog para maipakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga kaganapan dito sa aming barangay Aday, dito sa loob ng campus ng Catholic Church. At mayroon pa kami guys dito guys na fireworks. So kung makikita nyo guys, napakaganda guys ng fireworks namin guys. Abangan nyo guys pagpapailaw namin sa fireworks at pagpapailaw namin sa aming mga decoration, sa aming mga Christmas lighting. So samahan nyo guys hanggang dulo guys. Tapusin yung mga video guys para makita nyo lahat guys. Ayan guys, magka-counting na guys para pailawin yung ating Christmas light guys. Ayan na guys, pinapailaw na siya guys. At kasunod yan guys yung fireworks. Ayan nyo guys, ayan na guys yung fireworks guys. Napakaganda guys. Ayan guys, ayan na guys, napakaganda niya guys. Maraming salamat pala guys sa inyong pagsama guys at sa suporta nyo guys. Sana guys huwag kayong magsawa guys na suporta ng aking YouTube channel guys. Please subscribe na YouTube channel sa hindi pa naka-subscribe, at sa lahat ng mga subscribers ko, maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta. God bless and more power. Babu!
It is a powerful declaration born from the collective effort and fierce commitment of the Atlayanes.
It is a monument built entirely from recyclable and indigenous materials, a tangible symbol of our unwavering vow to protect the sea.
This is our constant call to the world. Keep the trash out. For us, marine debris is not merely pollution. It is a death sentence to the marine life that sustains us.
For the Adlayanos, the real spirit of Christmas is found not just in celebration, but in the peace, love, and joy we experience through people set for the ecosystem we love.
The profound law of nature dictates we are all interconnected. The stars,
Motherfucker, we got all right now.